Hi. In this video, I wanted to talk to you about posture and demonstrate some postural basics that will make your meditation practice go much more smoothly. If we're not sitting in a comfortable position for ourselves and start out being relaxed, it's much more difficult to settle our bodies, to settle our minds, and to really meditate in a way that allows us to be present. So in this video, I'm sitting in a chair, clearly, but you may want to sit on the floor on a cushion. The basics are essentially the same. So you want to begin by taking an upright and solid seat. So you can see here that my shoulders are over my hips. You can't see my feet, but they are grounded on the floor. My legs are uncrossed. I'm taking my hands and I can either place them interlocked in my lap, or I can place one on each leg. The whole intention being to find the right alignment so that the breath can flow evenly and unobstructedly through the body, as evenly as possible. So again, you want to take a comfortable seat in your chair. You want to place your feet shoulders distance apart. Feel the ground beneath your feet. You want to, I'm just going to turn for the sake of demonstrating. So the spine is upright. You're going to tuck your pelvis in slightly. You want to make sure you're not leaning forward or backwards. You want to imagine a string or a plumb line is suspending and elongating your spine, and your feet are rooted to the ground. You can see my shoulders are over my hips, and I am not leaning backwards or forwards. My head, you might want to just turn your head a little bit. You don't want your chin jutting out or backwards. Your head wants to find, or should be found, in a comfortable position between both shoulder blades. Head should be midline. You can slightly tuck your chin. Your sits bones, again, should be evenly placed. You want to feel your pelvis steady and supported on either the cushion or the chair. Sometimes this is not always possible. Our bodies, one side is usually, actually always, different than the other. But you want to feel, the biggest thing that you want to feel is supported in your meditation practice, and feel that your body is supported, rooted, grounded. You may use some bolsters, even sitting in the chair. I don't have anything here with me right now, but you could take a bolster and place it behind you so that you can feel the support. Or if you're sitting on the ground, you could place bolsters behind you, bolsters under your feet. You really want to experiment with this. But again, the key is to find a comfortable posture so that the breath can move in as unobstructed a way as possible through the body, and that the lower body is rooted to the ground and to the chair or the cushion, and that the upper body is being suspended and elongated. And at this point, once you get into this posture, these are postural basics. You all know this, of course, from the course. This is just a reminder video. Then you can experiment. Some days you may feel as though you need more support, and you might use a cushion, or you might sit in a chair versus on a cushion on the ground, or you might lie down. The postural basics are the same. And the body is not the same every day, so you might want to experiment. Again, I cover this in the book. There's a checklist on postural basics, but I wanted to give you a video template of the body being held once again in a position to meditate. And once you get into this position, then you might want to close your eyes or set your timer or listen to a guided meditation tape. And at this point, then your meditation can begin. Once you're settled, your body is open and comfortable, and you feel held and stable. Try all that again. Thanks.